Good morning, 8th class students. Now I am teaching about cube roots and finding cube roots. Okay, you see these diagrams, types of cubes means one unit cube means length, breadth and height. All are one unit. All are one unit. This is a square. One unit square. Okay. Cube means three measurements: length, breadth, height. One unit cube. This is two unit cube. One unit and one unit. Total two units cube means 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. You see this four cubes: 1, 2, 3, 4, backside 4, total 8 cubes. Total 8 cubes. Okay, next length is 3 units. 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 27 cubes. Total 27 cubes. This is 9 and next this 9 cubes and backside 9 cubes, total 27 cubes. Okay, next 4 unit length: 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. Okay, you see that this is 16. Okay, next 16, next 16, box side 16, total 4 16s are 64. Total 64 cubes is here. Written as y is equal to x cube, then x is equal cube root y. 3 is power. Going to next side, cube root. Okay. Next, cubes and cube roots. Cubes, cube roots. 1 cube is equal to 1. 1 into 1 into 1. Okay. 2 cube is equal to 8. You know this table. Okay. 3 cube is equal to 27. 4 cube is equal to 64. 5 cube is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. That is equal to 125. Okay, you see and find. 6 cube is equal 6 into 6 into 6. That is equal 216. Next, 7 cube is equal 7 into 7 into 7. That is equal 343. Similarly, 8 cube is equal to 8 into 8 into 8. That is equal 512. Okay, series this line: 8 cube, next 9 cube, next 10 cube. Okay, you fill the table. Okay, you see cubes, cube roots. 1 cube is equal to 1. 1 is equal to cube. Going to other side, cube root 1 is equal to 1. Okay, 2 cube is equal to 8. Cube, go to other side, cube root 8 is equal to 2. 3 cube is equal to 27. Okay, cube root 27 is equal to 3. 4 cube is equal to 64. Cube root 64 is equal to 4. 5 cube is equal to 125. Cube root 125 is equal to 5. Similarly, you write this table, complete the table. Okay, next, finding cube root through prime factorization method. Okay, let us find the cube root. of 1728 by prime factorization method. Okay, you know this type. 2. How many times is lost? 864 times. Again 2. 432. Again 2. 216. Again 2. 108. 2. Again 54. 2. Again 27. 2 is not cancelled. 3. How many times is lost? 27? 9 times. Okay. 3. 3 times. Okay. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 3's and 3 3's are here. Okay. Write this. Step 1. Resolve the given numbers. 728 into prime factors. 728 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, next step. Make groups of 3 equal factors. Okay, these 3 are in bracket, one bracket. Next 3 are in another bracket. And next 3 into 3 into 3 is another bracket. Okay. You say this. Step 3. Choose one factor from each group and multiply by doing so we get cube root 1728 is equal to 1 2 1 2 and 1 3 is total 2 into 2 into 3 is multiplied is equal to 12. Therefore, cube root 1728 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Okay. Next, you see another example. Find the cube root of 4096. Okay. Next, this model is known. Okay. First, prime factor 2. Next, prime factor 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, already known. Okay, first 2 is cancelled. How many times? 2048. Again 2 is cancelled. 1024. Again 2 is cancelled this 512 times. 2 is cancelled in this 256 times. 2 is cancelled in 128 times. 2 is cancelled 64 times. 2 is cancelled in 64 32 times. 2 is 60 times, 16 times. 2 is 8 times. 2 is 4 times. 2 is 2 times. Okay. Next. Resolving the 4096 into prime factors we get 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 twos. 3 twos in one bracket, 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 all are multiplied. Okay, cube root 4096 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 16. Therefore, cube root 4096 is equal to 16. Next, another example. What is the smallest number by which 2560 is to be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube or not? Okay, this type is known. You know this type, this model. First, 2 table, how many times? Is lost 1280 times. Okay, again this process. All are prime factors. Okay, Resolving 2560 into prime factors, we get 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, and into 5. The prime factor 5 does not appear in a group of 3, only single 5. So 2560 is not a perfect cube. Hence, the smallest number by which it is to be multiplied to make it a perfect cube is 5 into 5, that is equal 25.